Recently, in our briefing center, one of our customers shared with me how he felt CloudIQ was a game changer for the way he runs IT. This executive logs onto CloudIQ daily to check the health of his data center from his mobile phone. So I thought it would be great to share with you a short demo that highlights the top 5 things a CIO or executive would want to know about CloudIQ. So firstly, CloudIQ is a cloud-based application from Dell EMC that leverages massive amounts of data and predictive analytics to determine the overall health and risk factors of the storage systems in your data center. Information is your most critical and important asset, and so understanding the risk around the systems that manage your information is critical to minimizing outages and reducing downtime in the data center. As you can see here on the screen, the views in CloudIQ are extremely simple to understand. You don't need deep technical expertise or training to understand the information provided by CloudIQ. Here we can see that two of our systems are running with high risk, and there's something critical going on in these systems that we'll come back to. Another 4 systems have some sort of moderate risk, while 6 are in a good, healthy state. We can also see where we have performance issues, capacity issues such as pools running out of space, and as we scroll down, system alerts, and overall storage usage for our data center. Now, viewing risk is one thing. Knowing what to do about it is a whole other issue. The second key benefit of CloudIQ is being able to know what to do next and how to reduce risk. Now, if you see here, drilling into this health center, we now can start to understand using CloudIQ's predictive analytics. It prioritizes the most critical things for us to address. This allows your team and you to walk through the issues and steps that you should go through to remediate issues. By going through these one by one, you can return your data center to an overall healthy state. That's the second key advantage. The third key strength of CloudIQ is that it supports a broad spectrum of Dell EMC storage arrays. A year ago, CloudIQ was focused on our mid-tier platform, the Unity system. Today, we've extended CloudIQ to manage many other Dell EMC storage arrays. We've added in our high-end PowerMax platforms, you can see here on the right, our VMAX systems. We've added recently our Compellent SC series, which you can see here, and we're managing a number of Unity and SC systems from this environment. We've also added in an Extreme IO. This recent update allows us to drill into Extreme IO platforms as well and understand their efficiency and availability. So CloudIQ provides end-to-end views for all major Dell EMC storage systems that you can buy from us today for primary storage applications and workloads. The fourth key point to know about CloudIQ is the ability to analyze and understand wasted capacity and underutilized resources. Have you ever wondered if your team is running a high level of efficiency within the data center? Let's drill down on the system and have a look. Here we have a PowerMax system that's running in high risk. We could start to drill down what's causing the risk. But also, if we look at capacity, what we can see here is how our capacity is utilized. Now we'll see here from the blue-green chart, we've actually got quite an amount of free space available, which we can utilize for additional growth. Now, as we look at the right, we can see the overall efficiency of this environment. Running at 10-to-1 efficiency is a pretty good ratio. That's not bad for a storage system. But as we drill in, we see where this ratio is enabled, it's only applying to 8% of the volumes in the system. There's an opportunity here to turn data reduction on for more of our capacity. This would offset future purchases and maybe reduce the amount of infrastructure we need to buy going forward. So by optimizing this, we could massively reduce and make our environment more efficient, therefore offsetting future purchases. Now also, back under this health center that we were looking at a moment ago, you may have noticed this on the top, reclaimable storage. As CloudIQ looks across all of the systems that we have, it drills in and finds out areas where we may have underutilized or wasted capacity. We can see here a number of systems that are using storage that's hidden or underutilized. The recommendations here allow us to free up capacity and again find more storage capacity that we can use to offset those future purchases. Lastly, one of the most powerful features of CloudIQ is the ability to provide what we call trusted advisor state. Now, under CloudIQ, you have the ability to control who manages your environment, both internally and externally. By default, you and your team will be added. The trusted advisor role allows others within the environment or outside to gain access to CloudIQ and the information it provides. Here we can see a number of Dell EMC people that have been added in. You could choose to enable access to more Dell EMC people to help gain insight into your environment. You could also choose to access partners, and I'll give them access. Using this, Dell EMC pre-sales people and the technical partner community can drill into your environment, understand where you have issues, and optimize your environment or provide recommendations. So there you have it. We think of CloudIQ as Dell EMC's fitness tracker for the data center. The best part about this, it's a no-cost, value-added platform that comes with our storage arrays under a valid support contract. All you need to do is ask us to enable it. With that, thank you.